Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are solving for x and y in this equation. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and excited questions together. Thank you for doing that. Now we name this as our equation 1 and then xy is equal to 6x as our equation 2. Now, from equation 1, you can see that our y is equal to our y is equal to 8 minus x. So let's name this to be equation 3. Now, we can put y in equation 2, okay? So by doing that, we are going to get x into bracket 8 minus x, which is equal to 6x. So let's expand this bracket first. Now we have x times 8. We have 8x minus x squared, which is equal to 6x. Okay. So now we have 8x minus x squared minus 6x is equal to 0. 8x minus 6x, we are getting 2x here minus x squared, which is equal to 0. Now we have x in common, so we say that x out 2 minus x, which is equal to 0. Okay, so in this case, s is equal to 0, and then 2 minus x is equal to 0. So we have 2 is equal to x. So we have two solutions for x. So in this case, we are going to use s is equal to 0 and s is equal to 2 to solve for y. Okay, so from equation 1, we have x plus y, which is equal to 8. Okay, so in this case, when x is equal to 0, we have 0 plus y is equal to 8. So we have y is equal to 8. And when x is equal to 2, we have 2 plus y, which is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 minus 2. So y is equal to 6. Now, so the solution says we have x, y, which is equal to, first of all, we have 0 and then 8, comma, then 2, comma 6. So these are the solution set for x and y. Now, let's verify to see if this solution set satisfy the system. Okay, so we have our equation x plus y is equal to 8, and then x, y is equal to 6x. So we are testing for x is equal to 0 and and y is equal to 8. So now when s is 0, we have 0 plus and 8, which is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So it is true that our x is 0 and y is equal to 8 in this set. And then let's test for when x is equal to 2, y is 6. We have 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So indeed 8 is equal to 8. So it is true that. Then let's test for this one too. We have, which is x, y is equal to 6x. So for the first two answers, we have x is 0 multiplied by y is 8, which is equal to 6 times 0. So 0 is equal to 0. And then the other one, we have when x is 2, so we have 2 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. which is equal to 6 times 2 is also 12. So our answer is correct for this solution question. Our answer is correct for this question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.